Your brain is being hijacked, and you don't even realize it. You are losing focus and creating legacies while you're stuck drowning in distractions. You will get left behind. But here's the good news. If you've made it to this video, you're different. You've found the secret, because I'm about to show you exactly how to rewire your brain, why you can't focus. Think about the last time you tried to focus for an hour. You sit down, you're motivated, but 5 minutes in, notification, your goals are still untouched. But if you master deep work, you escape this trap. And that's what I'm going to show you now. Treat focus like a currency. The most successful people don't waste their focus. They treat their attention like money, spending it only where it brings the highest return, and no distractions. If you don't control your focus, multitasking is a lie. Stop destroying your brain. You've been told multitasking makes you more productive. That's a lie. Every time you switch tasks. But if you master this, rewire your brain for deep work. Your brain is like a muscle. It becomes unstoppable. Deep work is painful at first. Your mind will become a weapon. Build an environment that forces focus. Your surroundings dictate your focus. You're setting yourself up for failure. Fix your environment. Track and improve your focus every day. If you don't measure your focus, track your deep work hours daily. Increase your deep work time every week. Final challenge: choose your future. Right now, you have a choice. Or start mastering deep work today and take control of your life. I choose deep work if you're ready to level up.